Yes, no questions. Simple past. B. I went to my friend's wedding last weekend. Oh? Was it fun? Were there many guests? Was it inside or outside? Was there a big cake? Look at the yes-no questions here. They all begin with the past form of the be verb. Was it fun? Were there many guests? Was it inside or outside? Was there a big cake? Form a question with be in the simple past, the same way you form a question with be in the simple present. So you already know how to write this sentence. It was fun. It is the subject. Was is the verb. Here the verb is in the simple past. It was fun. And to make the question, we just switch the order of the subject and the verb. So the answer is the verb, then the subject. Was it fun? Was it fun? Yes, it was. Here are some more examples of yes-no questions in the past. There was a fire downtown yesterday. Was it big? Were you there? Was anyone hurt? Was there a lot of damage? You can see they all start with be, then they have the subject, and the answer to these are yes or no. Okay, let's practice. Okay, you have the answer. Yes, she was. She was very surprised. What is the question? Was she surprised? Yes, she was. She was very surprised. How about here? No, it wasn't. The show wasn't good. What's the question? Was the show good? No, it wasn't. The show wasn't good. Here you have the answer again. Yes, they were. My textbooks were expensive. Okay, this one is plural, so start with the plural form of be in the past. Were your textbooks expensive? Yes, they were. My textbooks were expensive. Here the answer is yes, they were. The strawberries were sweet. What's the question? Were the strawberries sweet? Yes, they were. The strawberries were sweet. Here the answer is yes, there were. There were many people at the farmer's market. It was very crowded. So what's the question here? Were there many people at the farmer's market? Yes, there were. There were many people there. It was very crowded. Last one. The answer is yes, it was. The weather was nice. It was a beautiful day. What is the question? Was the weather nice? Yes, it was. Now you know, form a question with be in the simple past by putting the be verb first. Was it crowded? Yes, it was. Were they expensive? Yes, they were.